Welcome to day 8 of Mindfulness Meditation Challenge. Hi, I'm Sneha, the founder of Stressless with Sneha J. I hope you're having a great time learning mindfulness and bringing presence and awareness to your day-to-day life. If you have watched presentations and meditations before from me, let me know in the comments below how you have felt doing those meditations. In today's meditation, we are going to share a simple gratitude practice. Gratitude has helped shift my life tremendously. It has helped me look to have a positive outlook towards my life. It has helped me sleep better a lot of times when I have had worries about trivial things or sometimes important things. It has helped me look into my life and become thankful for blessings that have come in my life and open my heart space to get even more blessings. And I love sharing gratitude practice with everybody that I coach. I teach mindfulness and coaching. So I like to teach that practice with everyone. And today I'm excited to share a simple meditation with all of you. So let's find a quiet space. Make sure your back is straight. Your feet are touching the ground. Your eyes are closed. You can also lower your gaze if you're not comfortable closing your eyes, and you can just look a few inches away from your feet. Slowly become aware of the position of your body on the chair or on the floor. Become aware of the surroundings. Now slowly turn your attention inwards. And notice how you're experiencing yourself right now. Are there any emotions arising? Are there any thoughts? Notice how the air is around you. Is there any breeze that is gently touching your face? Notice how you are experiencing the sounds around you. Now slowly bring to your awareness any one person who may have made a difference for you in your life, either today, this week, or in general in your life. It could be your parent, your teacher, your Uber driver. It could be a neighbor, a child. Anybody that comes to your mind is okay. Experience the emotions and gratitude felt when you bring to your mind this person. Notice where in your body are you feeling this gratitude, this expansiveness. Notice the joy that the thought of this person has been brought to you. Now, in your mind, send this person a note of gratitude, completely heartfelt, with full clarity. You may use your own words and send thanks to this person in your mind. When you feel complete, come back to your breath. Notice your breath coming in and going out. Slowly come back to your surroundings. Become aware of your body. Wiggle your toes and fingers. And slowly you may open your eyes. That was really beautiful. I felt so relieved and so much in gratitude because of this meditation. And I'm sure that you felt it too. So take this moment to write down how you felt before entering this meditation and after this meditation. And see if you can maintain a regular gratitude practice in your life. A regular gratitude practice can completely change your life and bring lots of blessings to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please share it with your family and friends. And subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so that you can get notifications for every new video that I post. If you have not joined the Mindfulness Meditation Challenge yet, subscribe below and you will get the Mindfulness Meditation Challenge in your inbox. Thank you for watching. Namaste.